Welcome, and thank you for visiting another recently renovated home, modernized by Divine Dream Homes and presented by RusselSellsATL of PalmerHouse Properties. You can always trust the partnership of Divine Dream Homes and RusselSellsATL to provide superior service that you can trust. Every home renovated by Divine Dream Homes is personally and professionally crafted to meet your desires, tastes, and needs. Divine Dream Homes provides first-rate contracting services. Interested in selling? We buy homes. RusselSellsATL provides exceptional marketing and home buying services throughout Metro Atlanta. Divine Dream Homes and RusselSellsATL is a partnership that helps homeowners and improves our communities throughout Atlanta. So contact us today. Again, thank you for visiting and enjoy the tour. We're excited to work with you and looking forward to hearing from you soon.